Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed about Mahatma Gandhi, how famous he was in the heart of Indian people, and about the Indian people, what they think that Mahatma Gandhi will do for them. Today we are going to discuss the incidents which were happened in 1922 and 1922 to 1929, the happenings of 1922 to 1929. Mahatma Gandhi was started many satyagraha, many movements for the sake of Indian people, and at that time there was no place in the satyagraha for violation. Mahatma Gandhi advised everyone to do satyagraha non-violently, but in Chauri Chaura, this is the place in Uttar Pradesh, in that area, there was a crowd of peasants. They were doing demonstration peacefully, but the police opened fire on them. Then the peasants became angry and they put fire in police station. In that incident in 1922, 22 policemen were killed in that incident. On that day, suddenly Mahatma Gandhi had taken their satyagraha off, and many members of the Congress, they want to participate in the election, like Chittaranjan Das, Motilal Nehru. They had desired that they have to do campaign in the rural area, and they must fight the election, and they have to participate in the government which was ruling at that time under British, and by taking part in administration, they can oppose the rule which were passed at that time. For that, they wanted to participate in the election at that time. Now, we are going to discuss the second topic about March to Dandi. Dandi is a coastal area near the seashore. It is in Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi started march from Sabarmati to Dandi because British were imposed tax, and they had taken the right to produce salt, and salt was very important for poor and rich person. That is why Mahatma Gandhi thought that for this act, our country's people, Indian people, all will come together and they will do satyagraha with him, and in this way he will show their power to the British. And according to Mahatma Gandhi, it was very sinful that imposing tax on salt making. For that, Mahatma Gandhi started march from Sabarmati to Dandi, which was 240 miles from the Sabarmati, and in between the area Sabarmati to Dandi, many peasants, women, they come to listen to Mahatma Gandhi, and they all came forward for non-cooperation movement. In this way, Mahatma Gandhi started making salt against the rule of the British, and he reached the Dandi. There they collected the natural salt, and also they boiled the sea water and they made the salt. In this way they broke the rule, they break the act made by the British government, and at that same time there was a campaign in the area, in the rural area, and there was an election for 20 assembly area. In that area, in 20 area, Congress won 11 places, and in this way they came into the government to oppose the British rule. And for India's people, they want to do something. Many peasants, businessmen, and many leaders, they all together fought against the British rule which were imposed at that time. The next topic which we are going to discuss it is Quiet India and later. At the time of Second World War, Mahatma Gandhi was started a new type of satyagraha. He told to the British that British, you must leave our country, leave India. And he asked the people to do satyagraha non-violently, and this is the time you have to fight against the British with the thinking of do or die. And the people of our country, India, mostly the peasants and the students, they came in this satyagraha, and they had broken the communication system of British and symbol of the British, and they started governing themselves. Many leaders and Mahatma Gandhi ji were arrested. About 90,000 people were arrested in 1943, and about 1,000 people were killed in police fire. But this revolt was too powerful, and at this time British, they have to think, they started thinking that they will leave the India, they will leave the country, and they will give the freedom to the Indian people. Next topic which we are going to discuss it is towards independence and partition. In 1930, Muslim League was formed and they fought election in many areas during British rule, and they won in the area where the Muslim people were more, and they started demanding separate nation for the Muslim, and they started campaign for that. There was a struggle between Hindu and Muslim. Rights were there in many parts during the British rule. That is why the Muslim League, they thought that they are in minority and they will suffer beyond if they will not ask for separate nation. That is why in northwestern and eastern part of our country of India, they demanded separate nation for the Muslim. On 16 August 1946, there was a riots were there and many people were killed, and after that there was a separation and our country got independence on 1947, and the new nation was separated from our country. It was Pakistan. This was the happening at the time of British rule, and in this way British rule got in our country.